Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to Greenwich Today. A quickly recap podcast bringing you highlights and activity from across Greenwich Vietnam's 4 campuses. This is our news update for the third week of December. I am Thanh Khôi and here are this week's top stories. Starting from December 2025, high school students interested in creative media and communications can enroll in the Bachelor of Media and Communications program, fully transferred from the University of Greenwich, UK, and delivered at Greenwich Vietnam's 4 campuses nationwide. The program is offered in Hanoi, Đà Nẵng, Hồ Chí Minh City, and Cần Thơ, awarding a globally recognized bachelor's degree issued by the University of Greenwich and officially recognized by Vietnam's Ministry of Education and Training. The University of Greenwich is ranked top 1 best university in London by Student Crowd 2023 and holds a gold rating for teaching excellence. Designed a 3-year accelerated program, the Bachelor of Media and Communications equips students with 360-degree communication skills, combining strategic thinking with hands-on execution. Students gain in-depth knowledge in branding, public relations, marketing, and digital content management through studio-based learning, workshops, and project-based model on professional agency environments. The program aims to develop high-quality media professionals who meet Vietnam's industry demands while meeting international academic standards. A Greenwich Vietnam student has been recognized among the top 3 winners at the AEON Vietnam Sustainable Design Awards 2025, a prestigious initiative organized by the European Union delegation to Vietnam to honor creative solutions addressing social and environmental challenges. Competing in the communication design category, student Nguyễn Duy Tuấn Phương impressed the jury with his project Home Protect, which focused on urban fire prevention and safety awareness. The award ceremony took place on December 12 at the Temple of Literature in Hanoi, reaffirming the EU's commitment to supporting Vietnam's green transition and sustainable development. On December 16, students from Greenwich Vietnam took part in a company visit to AEON Vietnam, one of Japan's leading retail corporations. The activity was organized for OTT Spring 2026 students aiming to connect academic learning with real-world business practice. During the visit, students explored AEON's retail operation, corporate culture, and business model while gaining insights into recruitment requirements, internship preparation, and career opportunities in the retail and business sectors. The visit highlights Greenwich Vietnam's commitment to experiential learning and industry engagement, equipping students with practical knowledge and career readiness for the modern workforce. Recently, business management students at Greenwich Vietnam Đà Nẵng campus successfully completed their final project defenses, marking an important milestone in their academic journey. Its project reflected a rigorous process of learning, research, and real-world observation, demonstrating student growing maturity and practical understanding of business concepts. The project covered a wide range of industry, including food and beverage, fashion, traditional products, and educational models with long-term development potential. Despite the diversity, all projects share a strong market-oriented approach, showcasing student ability to analyze customer needs, build viable business models, and propose solutions aligned with real-world conditions. Notably, many student teams demonstrated innovative thinking by refreshing existing products, repositioning brand values, and presenting highly feasible solutions. These approaches transform familiar ideas into differentiated concepts with strong practical application potential, highlighting student readiness to think beyond theory and adopt the mindset of future business leaders. Memories and Memories was a creative on-campus event organized for students at Greenwich Vietnam to warmly welcome the festive season. Taking place during the busiest end-of-semester period, the event offers students joyful and relaxing space to unwind, connect, and celebrate together. The program featured a series of interactive booths and activities organized by student clubs, including handmade gift stores, Christmas photo corners, lucky spin games, and fun challenge zones. These creative experiences encourage student engagement and brought vibrant festive energy to the campus. Through hands-on activities, games, and social interaction, Memories and Memories not only spread holiday cheer but also strengthen student connections and community spirit. The event reflected Greenwich Vietnam's commitment to fostering creative, supportive campus environment where students can balance academic life with meaningful shared experiences. From December 10 to 12, Club Festival 2025 Chromatic took place at Greenwich Vietnam campus, creating a vibrant extracurricular space that showcased the diversity and creativity of 13 student clubs. The festival featured a wide range of interactive activities, including skill-based challenges, engaging mini-games, club experience zones, and colorful check-in areas, attracting strong student participation throughout the three-day event. Each club brought its own unique identity and activities, allowing students to explore personal interests, discover new passions, and connect with like-minded peers. More than a recreational event, Club Festival 2025 Chromatic highlighted the dynamic student life at Greenwich Vietnam campus, encouraging students to actively engage in campus activities alongside their academic journey. The event reflected the university's commitment to nurturing a well-rounded learning environment where creativity, connection, and personal development thrive beyond the classroom. That's all for this week's highlights. Thank you for watching Greenwich Today. See you next week.